as I was telling you that I'll be talking about some sentences which are like questions when you're asking something, or it is like you are expressing your wish, or advising somebody, or you're suggesting something. So in these cases the rule deviates a little bit, and here comes the topic of infinitives, which also I'll talk about in next video. So first let's talk about the question part. Okay, so सेम थिंग नरेशन में ही अगर हम लोग ऐसे करें, सी ओके, नाउ नरेशन फॉर क्वेश्चंस, दैट इज इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. ओके, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस दैट मीन्स जहां पर वेयर और इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस या फिर क्वेश्चंस जो है, राइट. नाउ when we are asking a question, at that time, you know, this rule differs a little bit. Now how does it differ? Let us just say this. I'll just tell you one example. As I was saying कि when we are changing in normal sentences, present को past में हम लोग कर रहे हैं, और we are changing the inverted comma part into that in indirect speech. But here when we talk about questions, there look at the rule. How do we do it? Let me just write a sentence. Lisa asked her sister, "What are you going to wear? What are you going to wear today?" Now look at this. Here, even though it is interrogative, ये भी interrogative sentence ही है, but see, I have not put question mark at the end. मैंने full stop डाला है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये वो पूछ चुकी थी, and I am talking about that only, right? Yeah. ये काम already हो चुका है. Okay? Or maybe I'll just put a question mark, because she's asking a question to her sister. So it's a question, interrogative sentence. लेकिन इसको जब हम चेंज करेंगे, see यहाँ पर said है नहीं, यहाँ पर है asked, because it's a question again. Here the rule is more or less the same. यहाँ पर उतना rule change होता है नहीं, because why? A question word is already given here. A question word already देखो डाला गया है. Now see, when I'm telling you, when we are learning a particular topic, no, in grammar, rules सब एक ही जैसा होता है, but कुछ there are some little bit of tricks जिसके लिए उसका अलग अलग पार्ट होता है. So it is about learning those tricks. क्या होता है, हम लोगों को ना, हम लोग बस बहुत we take it very casually कि अरे नरेशन तो पता है क्या करना है, प्रेजेंट को पास करना है, we have to do change it this way. But what we forget is there are some technicalities inside it which also we have to keep in mind. But instead of doing that, we just generalize it और उसको कई और सेंटेंस में जैसे कर रहे थे उसी को we apply the same rule here. But that is wrong. There we go wrong. क्योंकि हम लोगों को simple जो tricks है वो we miss out. We do not give importance to such things, right? Therefore, see, Lisa asked her sister, "What are you going to wear today?" यहाँ पर तो ये same ही rule होगा, इसमें उतना deviation है नहीं. So let me just write it for the indirect speech part. Lisa asked her sister, now यहाँ पर that will not come. Let me tell you, for interrogative sentences we do not use the term that, क्योंकि यहाँ पर already question word दिया हुआ है. Question word, what do I mean by question word? These 5 WH words, right? WH and how, it's like that. What, which, okay, when, where, why, how. Now these are the 5 words which we denote as question words. हम सबको ये पता है. तो ये question words जब sentence में रहेंगे, in that case we will not do a lot of deviation in rules, right? वो वहाँ पर rule same ही रहेगा. So Lisa asked her sister, "What?" Keep it what, just the way it is there. Okay, so what, and as I told you, the rule present हो जाता है past it becomes past perfect. I mean simple present becomes simple past. Simple past, if it's already there, then it becomes past perfect tense. Here it is present continuous tense given here, right? What are you going to wear today? This present continuous, it is that kind of sentence which is again having a future notion. So in this case I have to change it to simple past continuous. Lisa asked her sister, what were you going? What, sorry, here you will be changed. Here you means who? Here you means sister, right? नेहा, लीजा किसको पूछ रही है? अपनी बहन को पूछ रही है कि तुम क्या पहनोगे. So तुम यहाँ पर कौन है? You is her sister here. Therefore asked her sister what was she. It will become was. What was she going to wear today? चेंज हो जाता है इसमें, as I have already told you, that day में चेंज हो जाता है. Okay, Lisa asked her sister what was she going to wear that day. Now how do we do that? See, that मैंने यूज किया है नहीं, दैट यहाँ पर आएगा बिकॉज इट इज एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. देखो इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस मतलब क्वेश्चन जब है, जहां पर क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स दिया जाता है, तो दैट की जगह आई एम डायरेक्टली पुटिंग व्हाट. ओके, व्हाट को आई कैन नॉट रिमूव फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वर्ड जैसा है वैसा ही बैठेगा. अब इसको चेंज करेंगे पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में, यू हो जाएगा चेंज टू शी. तो शी के साथ तो हम लोग वर्ड लगा नहीं सकते, लाइक आर का पास्ट होता है वर्ड, लेकिन वो तो हम शी के साथ नहीं लगा सकते because it is she here, so I have used was. See, I have used was. What was she wearing? Today will again become that day. See, today I have changed to that day. So rule is almost the same as I told you. There are just some technicalities, some tricks in the middle which we have to remember. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम लोगों को rules पता रहता है, but still we see that the answer I have done is wrong. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर शायद उस रूल में देयर वाज सम ट्रिक व्हिच वी मिस्ड आउट, वी फॉरगॉट टू वी ओवरलुक्ड इट, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट आवर आंसर बिकॉज ऑफ वन वर्ड मे बी द होल आंसर वाज रॉन्ग. सो ग्रामर जब कर रहे हैं वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल कि ग्रामर में वी शुडंट डू सच मिस्टेक्स कि एक मिस्टेक के लिए पूरा आंसर गलत हो जाए, विच हैपेंस यूजुअली इन मैथ्स. सो इंग्लिश ग्रामर इज मोर लाइक मैथ्स, so you have to be very careful. So now that's how we do it. Okay, now instead of what, let me just say, if I say some other sentence, let me just write it here. See, I just rub out this particular sentence. Let me just write some other sentence here, and we will change it again. As I told you, interrogative sentences means question words will be there, right? जहां पर हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं किसी को. सो लेट्स सी दिस सेंटेंस. लुक एट दिस सेंटेंस. टीना आस्क्ड हर ब्रदर. देखो कौन है स्पीकर और कौन है लिसनर. वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. ओके, टीना आस्क्ड हर ब्रदर, कॉमा, एंड देन वी स्टार्ट विथ इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. ओके, so question word ये सब 5 है, I mean 6 question words are there. So maybe I use how, maybe let me just use this word. I have already used what. Very important sentence, look at it very carefully. Lot of changes are going to happen here. Interrogative है तो हम लोगों को inverted comma question mark बिठाना है and then inverted comma close. So here I am talking about Tina asked her brother, how was your exam last day? टीना अपने भाई से पूछी कि तुम्हारा एग्जाम कैसा था उस दिन. सो सी द लुक एट द हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन दैट आई हैव सेड. टीना अपने भाई से पूछी कैसा था उसका एग्जाम. उसका मतलब उसके भाई का एग्जाम. योर मतलब तो मुझे हो जाएगा, मेरा तो कोई एग्जाम है ही नहीं. सो कैसा था उसका एग्जाम उस दिन. आई एम नॉट सेइंग टुडे एनीमोर. ओके, so or maybe if I can just change it to today. तुम्हारा आज का एग्जाम कैसा था. तो अब ये बात I am reproducing in my own words to someone else कि टीना अपने टीना मैंने सुना, टीना अपने भाई से पूछ रही थी कि तुम्हारा उस दिन एग्जाम कैसा था, उसका उस दिन का एग्जाम कैसा रहा. तो उस दिन, so today again will be changed. as I told you, grammar is all about logic, है ना. तो लॉजिक से जब हम लोग कुछ पूछते हैं, सो अकॉर्डिंगली आई हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. सो सी, लेट्स सी दिस वे. ये पार्ट तो सेम ही रहेगा, देयर इज नथिंग टू चेंज, बट वी जस्ट हैव टू बी केयरफुल कि स्पीकर कौन है एंड लिसनर कौन है. स्पीकर इज टीना और लिसनर है उसके भाई, ब्रदर. सो लेट अस जस्ट राइट द सेम वे. टीना आस्क्ड हर ब्रदर हाउ. As I told you, in interrogative sentences, question जब पूछा जाता है, we do not add that. वो है सिर्फ अगर if it is a statement के लिए वो rule applicable है, not for interrogative sentences. So be very careful. Asked her brother how, तो how ऐसा ही आएगा. Now how was your exam? यहाँ पर your will be changed किसके? उसका, उसके भाई का. How was his exam? तो his brother तो मैं फिर से brother ऐड नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि brother is already written. तो उसी के लिए I am using the pronoun for brother, that is his. How was, sorry, was तो नहीं होगा. Was is already given in the direct speech. See. So as I told you, lot of changes will be there in this sentence. Already the sentence which is given inside the inverted comma, this is given in past tense, simple past tense. Therefore, when I am changing it into indirect speech, अगर simple past tense है तो वो किस में change होता है? As we have learned, past perfect tense, right? So in that case, I have to use past perfect tense here. So Tina asked her brother, how had been his exam? How had been his exam? यहाँ पर been is another word that I am adding. कैसा रहा उसका एग्जाम, कैसा हुआ. So you know, होना, रहना. For that been part will come. Was के जगह it will come had been. सिर्फ had नहीं होगा. अगर यहाँ पर had की जगह कोई other action होता कि how had he worked, तो worked main verb आ जाता. But यहाँ पर देखो कोई main verb है ही नहीं. Therefore been will be used as the main verb, right? How had been his exam? Today के जगह will come that day, and there we do not use question mark anymore. We just put a full stop here, right? We just put full stop. There is no question mark because देखो ये sentence अभी question है ही नहीं. I'm just मैं जब किसी और को ये बात बोल रही हूँ कि अरे मैंने सुना टीना उसके भाई से पूछ रही थी कि उसका एग्जाम उस दिन कैसा रहा. तो it is not a question anymore. I'm just changing it into a statement altogether, right? So Tina asked her brother how had been his exam that day. और इसको हम लोग थोड़ा so that it sounds a little better, I can change it this way also. How his exam had been. ये भी correct है. How his exam had been that day. Clear? So that's how we do it. So this is the scenario how we change for question words. So अब यहाँ पर how की जगह जो भी रहे, like you know in place of how, whatever question word is there, which रहे कि when रहे, why रहे, we will put it exactly the same way here. वो exactly वैसा ही बैठेगा. There will be no that or nothing. Okay, that की जगह हम लोग direct वो question word को ही लाएंगे. इसीलिए in case of interrogative sentences, we do not use that. Very, very careful. Okay. Now, a very important part. Okay. Let me just rub out. When I talk about interrogative sentences, students, you have to remember that सिर्फ how, what, which question word use करके ही क्या हम लोग करते हैं interrogative? Isn't there any other way that we have interrogative sentences? Of course we have. How? बहुत सेंटेंस ऐसे भी होता है ना कि we just say there are sentences when we do not use any question word. Directly हम बोलते हैं कि are you coming today? Did you call me last night? Were you present yesterday? Then is your homework done for today? So these kind of sentences where there is no question word, मतलब इस ये वाला part missing रहता है. Oh, I'm so sorry. This part remains missing, right? But फिर भी I am writing it in the side because see, whenever we talk about question words, question sentences, interrogative, these part always come to our mind. So now we will talk about sentences where question words are not there. जहाँ पर question word नहीं होता है, right? So let me just write one sentence. Let's see. I asked my mother, look at this. I asked my mother, are you cooking my favorite dish? Now, in this case, क्वेश्चन वर्ड है नहीं है, what which where ये सब नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी it is an interrogative sentence, but still this is an interrogative sentence because it is asking a question, it is making a question, it's asking for a reason. So in this cases how do I change? As I told you, जब भी interrogative sentence में हम लोग change कर रहे हैं ना, we will not bring any that or anything, right? वो सब चीज यहाँ पर नहीं आता है, clear? So how do I change? Here in place of that we use a term that is if या फिर whether. These are the two terms that we bring. Okay, let's see this. I asked my mother that की जगह we have to bring if, right? So if, अब you who is you here? Speaker is I and listener is my mother, right? Listener is my mother. Therefore, who is you here? Of course, my mother. So I have to use a correct pronoun for my mother. I cannot use you क्योंकि ये बात कोई और बोल रहा है. ये this is not the exact term which I have been saying, right? तो you की जगह it will come she. I asked my mother if. It's very important. Please note down. If आएगा for interrogative sentences only if this part is not there. अगर question words नहीं use होता है तो ही होगा, otherwise not. I asked my mother if she was. Now as we know it is present continuous tense, right? Are you doing, are you going? तो ये हो गया present continuous, तो उसको हमको change करना है किसमें? Past continuous में. So I'll just change it directly to past. Easy enough. You know, now things are falling into place. Yeah, you can relate it. So I asked my mother if she was cooking. तो आई है, तो my favorite dish हो तो मेरा favorite dish का ही बात हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं ही तो speaker हूँ यहाँ पर. तो if she was cooking my favorite dish, right? So again, we will not put any question mark because it is again a statement. It's a general statement. I am not making it question anymore, so there will be no question mark. Be very careful. अगर तुम लोग ये पूरा change करने के बाद last में अचानक से अपने मन से question mark दे देते हो, तो पूरा answer हो जाएगा गलत. So be very careful. There will be no question mark in the reported speech. Be very careful about it. Okay. I asked my mother if she was cooking my favorite dish. So when there is no question word what which where, लेकिन फिर भी interrogative sentence है, उस टाइम के लिए हम लोगों को either या if लाना होगा या तो whether. I'm writing here. If या तो whether, दोनों ही correct है, right? दोनों ही correct है. Both are correct. Fine. I hope I'm clear enough. I'll just write one more example so it becomes easier for you to understand. Now look at this. Okay. Rahul asked his brother. So Rahul asked his brother, were you listening to the lecture? Now यहाँ पर हम लोग जब change करेंगे into indirect speech, see it is again a question, it's an interrogative sentence, but again there is no use of what, which or कुछ भी question word का. So again what we have to bring? I have to directly bring या तो if या तो whether, है ना? If या whether, इन दोनों में से any one I'll just bring. Okay? So how does it happen? Rahul asked. अच्छा, यहाँ पर एक और चीज, हर बार हम लोग ask नहीं करके, we can also use the term like inquired, okay, or wanted to know. So these words are also applicable. So here I will write that only. Instead of asked, when you are changing it in indirect speech, you can use the term inquired. Okay, even that is also correct. Rahul inquired his brother. Now, क्योंकि question word इसमें है नहीं and it's an interrogative sentence, so I have to bring if या फिर whether. So let me just bring whether maybe. Whether अब यू है कौन, उसका भाई है ना, स्पीकर इज राहुल, तो ये बात तो राहुल इज हिमसेल्फ सेइंग, एंड किसको बोल रहा है वो बात, वो बोल रहा है अपने भाई को, तो हिज ब्रदर इज अ लिसनर हियर, इन दैट केस we have to change it that way. Rahul inquired his brother whether he, अब it is in already in which tense, past continuous tense में है, तो already past continuous tense में है, तो हम लोग को करना होगा past perfect continuous tense. So in that list that I had given you, over there you can also add this, like if the sentence is already there in past continuous, we change it to past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Rahul inquired his brother whether he had been, because past perfect continuous है ना, he had been listening to the lecture. Now अब जब हम इसको बोल रहे हैं, here I can give a full stop also, or I can also add whether he had been listening to the lecture or not. ये or not part भी हम लोग इसमें लगा सकते हैं if required, but even if you do not add, then also your sentence is correct. Okay, clear? That's how it should go. So Rahul inquired his brother whether he had been listening to the lecture. So what is the moral of the story, of moral of this class, is that whenever it is an interrogative sentence and there has been no use of what, which, or question words, in that case we have to bring if or whether, and you have to change it into indirect speech. फिर तो बाकी जैसा है rule will be applicable, you know, it will be if it is present continuous, change it to past continuous, if it is simple present, change it to simple past, if it is past continuous already, it will be past perfect continuous tense. So the rule is again the same, but just if and whether का difference है, उसमें हम लोग that नहीं ला सकते, हम लोग को बस if लाना होगा या तो whether लाना होगा. So that is all about interrogative sentences. Now in narration we have got another category also, where again there are no rule changes. It is for sentences which are like requesting, you know, you are requesting something, or you are suggesting something. In those cases again the rule differs. Okay, now how does it differ? I'll just tell you in this. How do we do? See, look at the sentence. If I tell you this way,